They might know. Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs. So guys, I have this quirky, different candle holder, and I'm gonna paint it blue. I have a blue and gold design coming up, and I want something different. And I have this Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover paint and primer, and it's satin, and it's in this beautiful ink blue. That's the name of it, right? It is super pretty, and the color that I want, the exact color that I want. And I have this little table. I don't mind it get a little bit damaged with this paint on it. Try not to go too close to your plants because they're good. But when you paint 8 to 10 inches from the object, look at that already. Isn't it gorgeous? And guess what, guys? I picked this up at, I think, yard sale or maybe free. And it's by Mikasa. And I love that name. Love those plates. They make some of the most beautiful design plates and also durable. Good name. I have clock in the name. I don't have a watch, but I have different things. Platters, I think, as well, and vases. All right. Look at that. My desk inside is this blue. It is gorgeous. Look at that. How you like that? So this is what you can do. You can change your aesthetics. You know, sometimes you have old and dingy things or things that you pick up at the dollar store and or garage sale that you don't mind changing the color, right? But look at this. I just love blue, guys. I really do. And think about this blue with gold. Amazing, amazing. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. I